Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to start the chapter 3. The topic is interest on capital. We already discussed about three methods. One is fixed capital method, another one is fluctuating capital method, the third one is interest on capital. The fixed capital method is divided into two accounts. You have to open two accounts. Okay, one is called as that is capital account, another one is current account. Okay, so next one is fluctuating capital account. In this method, you have to calculate only capital account. Okay, only capital account. Okay, that's all. Okay, in interest on capital, you have to take some formula. Okay, one is the total amount of capital into rate of interest. The rate of interest depends upon 5%, 6%, 4%. Okay, so this is called this rate of interest. Into speed of interest. Speed of interest may be depends upon that is if this ending month is December, last starting month January. So in between, some partners introduce some amount into the business. So you have to take that for example July. July means July to December. You have to take July to December and September to December. This is called as speed of interest. Okay. So we already discussed a lot of problems in this topic. Okay. So now I am going to start interest on drawing. What is interest on drawing? The interest on drawing is nothing but on the basis of agreement, some partners will take some amount into the business and also calculate the interest on drawing. Okay, so you have to take some amount into from your business. That is called interest on drawing. Okay, so in this interest on drawing, we have three methods. One is direct method, product method, then average period method. So direct method, it means you have to take the direct way. That is the direct way means don't take any another method. Okay, so you have to take the amount of drawing into rate of interest. That's all. We already follow this formula also in interest on capital. So in this interest on drawing, amount of drawing, for example 60,000. 6,000 into rate of interest. The rate of interest means it depends upon 5%, 6%, 4%. Okay, so it is calculated on the basis of agreement. Okay, 5%, 6%, 4% rate of interest. Into period of interest. The period of interest on the basis of 4 or that is up to July to December, July to March. Okay, so what is accounting period? April to March. Okay, and January to December. In case April to March means you will take some amount in between September means September to March. You have to calculate September March. Otherwise, April to March. In case your opening month is January, closing month is December means you have to take that is for example July, September. So July to December, September to December. Okay. So this is called as the period of interest. Okay, this is a direct method. Okay. Sometimes some product is not given the date of the period of interest. So since this method, it is calculated 6 months. You have to take 6 months. Okay, 6 by 12. In case some of the product is not given the particular month of, particular date of, particular month of that drawing. So in this method, in this situation, you have to calculate. You have to take 6 months. Okay, so that is the important thing. The direct. Next one is product method. The product method, the sum of product in the sense of you have to take all the in case withdrawal on 1st April, withdrawal on 2nd April, okay, withdrawal on 4th April. Okay, so you have to calculate. So on the basis of date, you have to calculate. So July to December, September to December. So on the basis of that is the total amount of drawing. That is the sum of product. Sum of product. Into rate of interest into 1 by 12. You have to take 1 by 12. Here Speed of interest. On the basis of speed of interest, 6 by 12, 4 by 12, 3 by 12. On the basis depends on the problem. Here we have to take only 1 by 12. Okay, 1 by 12. I have to take 1 by 12. Okay, so here you have to follow this method. This formula. Sum of products into rate of interest into 1 by 12. Next, the last method, average period method. The average period method. So, sum of product into rate of interest into average period divided 12. Okay, average period divided 12. Okay, so here you have to calculate. So, in this chapter they given some important methods. Okay, so in case you will take monthly. Monthly means the beginning of the month. The beginning of the month is you have to take 5.5. In case middle of the month is you have to take 6. Ending of the month is 6.5. Okay, so this is monthly. On the basis of month you have to beginning. In case beginning of January you have to take some amount from your business. Okay, so I have to take 5.5 divided 12. That's all. Okay, next is 6. 6 is middle of the month. Middle of the month is that is 6. Then ending of the month 6.5. This is very important table call. Okay, so ஒரு person monthல எடுத்தா monthல beginning எடுத்தா அப்படினா 5.5 எடுத்துறோம். Then middle of the month எடுத்தா 6 எடுத்துறோம். Ending எடுத்தா 6.5 எடுத்துறோம். Okay, so 6.5 divided 12. இங்க 6.5 divided 12. Okay, then quarterly. Quarterly means that is a first ஒரு 7.5 அதாவது எப்ப beginning எடுத்தா that is you have to take 7.5 then 6 then 4. Ending of the month is 4.5. That is quarterly. Okay, next is half yearly. Beginning of the month is 9, then middle of the month 6, ending of the month 3. Okay, so half yearly means 9, 6, 3. Monthly means 5.5, 6, 6.5. Quarterly means 7.5, 6, 4.5. Half yearly means 9, 6, 3. Okay, this is the way of calculating average period method. Okay, now I am going to start the problem. Okay, problem number 11. Now I am going to start the sum number 11. Page number 115, sum number 11. Mani is a partner who withdraw rupees 30,000 on 1st September 2018. Interest on drawing is charged at 6% per annum. Calculate interest on drawing 31st December 2018 and show the journal entries by assuming that fluctuating capital is followed. Okay, money is a partner who withdraw 30,000 on 1st September 2018. Okay, 1st September 2018. Interest on drawing. Okay, so 1st September 2018. So we have to take September to then December. Okay, September to December. Okay, so next one the amount is 30,000. Okay, rate of interest 6%. Okay, so 31st December. The ending date as 31st December. Okay, so now we are going to start the problem. Okay, so this solution. So interest on drawing equal to amount of drawing into rate of interest into speed of interest. Okay, so this is the formula they have to follow. So this is the formula. Okay, so in the formula use பண்ணி தான் the sum is solve பண்ணணும். Okay, and also you have to consider this month September to December. September, October, November, September, October, November, December. So 4 months. Okay, so totally 4 months. So interest on drawing. So the amount of drawing equal to 30,000. So 30,000. When you are going to solve this problem, you have to write this formula. So when you are going to solve this problem, you have to write this formula. Okay, so this is very important. 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 4 by 12, because September to December. So we have to take 4 months. So 30,000. So rupees 600. The answer is 600. Okay, so interest on drawing equal to the amount is 600. So you have to write the January also. What is the January? Interest on drawing equal to partners capital. Okay, so partners capital account data. Here interest on capital means interest on capital into partners capital. Here interest on drawing, in case you are going to write the January in interest on drawing, partners capital data to interest on drawing. Partners capital data to interest on drawing. First entry. So the date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay. So this is the January format. So date is not don't need to mention. So this is not a problem. So now நீங்க இப்ப என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க? January open போறீங்க. Okay. So what is the amount of that value? What is the amount of January value? 600. How did you calculate 30,000 from this problem and 6%? So then September to December, that I want to consider this month also. So 4 by 12. 30,000 into 600 into 4 by 12. So the answer is 600. Okay. So partners capital. Okay. So monies capital account data to interest on here monies. Interest on capital. Okay, this is capital account. What is the amount? 600. 600. Okay. So what is the narration? So interest on capital. Interest on capital draw. So interest on drawing. Okay, money is calculated to interest on drawing. Okay, so interest on drawing we will calculate. Interest on drawing to be calculated. Okay, so this is the narration. So money is calculated to interest on drawing account. The amount is 600. How did you calculate? Interest on drawing equal to amount drawing rate of interest into rate of interest. The amount is 30,000 into 6 by 100 into 4 by 12. Okay, so the amount the solution is 600. So you have to take this amount and also put in the January also. Okay, so money is calculated to interest on drawing 600. So this is narration. Okay, now I am going to start the next step 2. Okay, so step 2. So I have to close the interest on drawing. So the interest on drawing account data to profit and loss approximation account. Okay, so the date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay, so what is the penalty for the closing the interest on drawing? Okay, interest on, that is interest on drawing account data to interest on drawing account debtor to what's the value? Profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation. What is appropriation? Profit. What is profit and loss account? That is called as to share the profit. To share the profit divided into that both partners. Okay. So from the appropriation account. Appropriation account. Okay. So interest on drawing is closed. Interest line closed. Interest on drawing is closed. What's the value? 600. Then so in this problem, we have to consider, we have to take this 30,000 and September, then rate of interest. This is the way of calculating this problem. Okay, you have to consider these three concepts. Okay, the total and the amount of drawing is 30,000, the rate of interest is 500, then rate of interest is September to December, that is 4 months. Okay, so 4 by 12. Okay, so 30,000 interest is 500 4 by 12. So you got the value, that is 600. The step 1. What is the first January? So partners capital, that is money is capital upon data to interest on drawing. So the amount is 600. Next, interest on drawing upon data to profit and loss appropriation account. So the amount is 600. Okay, so now going to start the second. That is the sum number 12. Sum number 10. That is your. I will give you assignment. Okay, so there is no problem. Sum number 10. Then next number 12. Okay, so the next problem is sum number 12. Okay, so the Santos is a partner in a partnership firm as the partnership deed. Interest on drawings is charged as 6% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, withdraws as follows. These are the amounts you have to consider. Okay, so February 1, 2000, May 1, 10,000, July 1, 4,000, October 1, 6,000. So what is the formula for interest on drawing? It means drawing. Okay, so what is the formula drawing? Amount of drawing into rate of interest into period of interest. This is the formula. Okay, so first formula. So this is interest on drawing equal to interest on drawing. The solution. Interest on drawing equal to amount of drawing into rate of interest into period of interest. Okay, so how will you calculate this problem? எப்படி calculate பண்ணுவீங்க? So first வந்து நீங்க formulas போடணும். Okay, this is the first way. Okay, so the second way, have to take that this February 1, May 1, July 1, October 1. Okay, so withdrawal on February 1, that is February 1. Okay, what is the amount? 2000 into rate of interest 6%. Rate of interest 6% per annum. Okay, 6 by 100 into February 1 to December, totally 11 months. Okay, so 11 by 12. Okay, what is the amount here? Amount is 110. Amount is 110. Okay, so amount is 110. Next, withdrawal on May 1. What is the amount? 10,000. So the 10,000. So 10,000 into 6 by 100 into, that is May 1, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 8 months. Okay, May. Okay, May 1. So how to take May month also. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so totally 8 months. So 400. So that means 400. Okay. The next one, withdrawal on July 1. July 1 is amount 4,000 into 6,500 into 20 is July. July means July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so 7 months. Okay, 7 months. So July, August, September, October, November, December. So 6 months. So 6 months. Okay, so here please 120. Okay, so how did you calculate this month? July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, ending month, that is December. Okay, so next one, withdrawal on October. Withdrawal on October 1. So 6,000 into 6,500 into October. So October, November, December. So totally 3 months, 3 by 12. Okay. So this is 60. Okay. So totally now we have to calculate the 4 months. Okay, 4 value. So first one, the withdrawal number 1. So 110, you have to take 110, the 420, then 60. 120, then 60. Okay. So when one 4 value put na என்ன கிடைக்கும் அப்படினா so இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நாடைய இந்த சந்தோஷ் பாட்டனுடைய டோட்டல் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் அண்ட் ட்ராயிங் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? So 510. So 510 plus 120 plus 60. So 510 plus 180. So 690. Total value is 690. So the interest on drawing is 690. Okay. So this is the way of calculating this method. Total value is 690. Okay. So எப்படினா நீங்க 110 110 போறீங்க 400 போறீங்க 120 போறீங்க 60 போறீங்க சோ இதெல்லாம் கூட்டினா இந்த ரெண்டு வழிக்கு 510 சோ இந்த ரெண்டு கூட்டினா 180 so answer is 690 okay so இப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணனும் இந்த மாதிரி சப்ஜெக்ட்டா சோ எப்படி சப்ஜெக்ட்டா இந்த மாதிரி டேபிள் காலம் போட்டு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் டிராயிங் கேட்டா அப்படினா நீங்க என்ன மாதிரி மாடல் எந்த பேசிஸ்ல கால்குலேட் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா இந்த மாதிரி தான் ஓகே இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் டிராயிங் ஈக்குவல் டு amount of drawing into rate of interest into period of interest. Okay, so ida withdrawal on first February 1, May 1, July 1, October 1. Okay, so February to December, May to December, ஜூலை டு டிசம்பர், அக்டோபர் டு டிசம்பர். இந்த கால்குலேட் பண்ணி எல்லா வேலையும் போட்டு so can find ஒரு வேல்யூ போறீங்களா? so that is called as total amount of drawing. The amount is 690. Okay, I hope you are very understanding about these two problems. So the topic is interest and drawing. So இந்த மாதிரி மெத்தட் கால்குலேட் பண்றோம். the formula is total amount of drawing into rate of interest and rate of interest இந்த formula. Okay, so the withdrawal amount கேட்டா அப்படினா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணா அந்த எந்த மந்த் ஸ்டார்டிங் மந்த் எண்டிங் மந்த் இந்த ரெண்டு டேட்டையும் மட்டும் கால்குலேட் பண்ணனும். so have to take that opening month and ending month. Okay, இந்த ரெண்டு அமௌண்ட்டையும் கால்குலேட் பண்ணீங்க அப்படினா ரெண்டு மந்தையும் கால்குலேட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா எந்த மந்த் how many months you have to calculate. so for example this July means July to December, October to December. இதான் the calculation of December. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for listening my video.